What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2018 Toyota RAV4 unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. The beginning of this, the opening and unlocking, will also apply if your RAV4 has a dead vehicle battery. So in either one of those scenarios, a dead key fob battery or a dead vehicle battery, the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And then we're just going to use this to unlock the driver's door. Now, if your vehicle battery's dead, you can pop your hood and charge or change it, whatever you need to do. If your key fob battery is dead and you want to know how to start the vehicle, we'll take a look at that in the next clip. So what we're going to do in order to get the vehicle started is we'll come over here and we'll press the stop start button. Then we're going to take our key fob and just hold it to the stop start button. You don't actually need to press it, just hold it near there. And then the ignition will go in the on position like that. And now we can just start it as normal. And then you'll be able to drive as normal. And you'll just want to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.